Hey Naturephiles, sorry it's been a while, but let's get back to it. We're here in Bowral at Settlers Park and we are going to do the cherry tree walk, but just the bike path section. There is a longer version that I will come back to do in September maybe when the cherry trees are in bloom. Anyways, as always, pack those bags, fill those water bottles, lace up those boots, let's get going. So this being a bike path, it is a fairly easy walk, so it should be suitable for everyone. As you can see, on a weekend, this is a fairly used track, so keep that in mind and stay out of the way of the locals.
Elbow, shoulder, where is he? Oh, my head.
There are benches like this along the way you can stop at if you need a break. Or just want to enjoy the scenery. Some lovely houses around here, by the way. So we need to safely proceed across the road and the path continues over there. We are now at Venerables Park. Look, if I say it confidently, it has to be correct, right? Let's go with that. So, as you can see, there are quite a few road crossings. Japanese made. So that right there is pretty much the end of this walk. I'm gonna turn back and wrap up at the car, but for now I'll put you away because there's no need to see that again. It's just the same thing in reverse. Sure, you guys can manage getting back yourselves. At least I hope so. Anyways. So that was the cherry tree walk out in Bowral. What did you think? As I said, it's a fairly easy one and you could probably miss out on that last section and not lose too much of the experience of the walk, as the nicer parts are everything before that. and it gets a bit barren towards that end, and yeah. I mean, if you do the longer track, then you'll have to do it anyway, and like I said, we'll come back and do that. But as you saw, it is a super easy track, manageable by most people. So if you're down here for the markets on a weekend and you're looking to fit in a nice little stroll, come check it out. Anyways, as always, take care of yourselves, take care of nature, and I'll take care of you. I'll see you on the next one, beautiful people. Bye.